Hello guys, and I am back with my adorable dog. Again, because why not? Because I love my dog. I have my door shut because I'm keeping her hostage here. I will give her all of my love. Why are you staring at my closet? Oh god. Oh no 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 no! She's gonna attack me! No! No! Help me! This girl's licking me. She's killing me. Man, why is she so cute? Look at that face. Oh, please try to. I'm on the floor. Look at this. I'm stuck. Oh god. Holy flop. Oh god. I'm good. Look at that cute face. Oh, you're cute. Yes, you are. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah. Oh, look at. Oh, she happy. Oh, you happy. Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Doggy. Oh, I can't believe it. On Halloween, I literally saw 3 people who were dressed up as Scream. I love that movie so much. I can't decide which one's my favorite character though. Um, I would probably say Sydney. Okay, what else should I talk about? Okay, the Five Nights at Freddy's movie. Oh my gosh, I love that movie. Like, I don't have a favorite character. I can't decide. Oh, Davy! Oh, she's saying hi. Hello, everyone. Please subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can do a face reveal. Oh, this no. Comment lots of hearts if you love this doggy. Oh. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe.